Hey everyone, it's Wednesday, November 4th. Today, after you go and check in on campus, the first thing you're going to do is do a silent discussion online. So yesterday you read articles either about COVID-19 or about climate change. You need to choose whichever one you read about and click over here, and it'll bring you to a Padlet. What you need to do is discuss your ideas with your classmates. You need to present your position, your claims, and your evidence, and then read and respond to at least one other student's post. So you can add yours by clicking down here on this little plus button, and then go ahead and type in whatever you have to say, and then go and respond to at least one other person's. When you're done with that, then we are going to start looking at our position paragraph assignment. So for this assignment, you're going to choose which topic you want to argue about. So you either read about COVID-19 or you read about climate change. So what you need to do is look at two articles from that folder, and hopefully you've read them already, and that you have identified the position, the claims, and the evidence. Then you need to write a formal paragraph in which you answer one of the following questions. So with COVID-19, should schools operate as normal during the pandemic? With climate change, how should climate change in America be handled? Or should America put more focus on addressing climate change? In your paragraph, you should follow the following format. So you should have your topic sentence. So this should present your position. You should have your first reason then as kind of like your setup, and then you should have a piece of evidence. Don't forget to cite your piece of evidence, so you'll use the author's last name and page number if one is available. Then you'll have your tie back or your analysis. So remember, this is the part where you're explaining how your evidence supports your claim and your position. Then you'll do it all over again. You'll present a second claim and then a second piece of evidence that's cited, and then you will explain again how does this piece of evidence prove your claim and your position, and then you'll wrap it all up with a concluding sentence. When you're finished, you can submit your paragraph to Schoology. If you want to see how to set it up, there is a little template down here for you to see. So you'll have to go into Google and start a new document and type that up. We'll be working on that today for the rest of the time and tomorrow. It'll be due tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. So keep that in mind as you are working. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.